This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This is MGS6. It's the S5's big brother, but unlike the S5, which has only rear-wheel drive, this has all-wheel drive and 77 kilowatt-hour battery. But in this video, we're gonna test how much space we have. It's in a similar class as Model Y and maybe ID4, very popular cars. So can this car match the other cars when it comes to space? Let's find out. First, let's check out the Frunk. It actually has a 105-liter Frunk. Wow, okay. I don't know why it doesn't seem so big compared to the other Frunks, but this is more horizontal Frunk, whereas the other ones are more vertical. Wait, really? They measure 105 liters, but can I fit? It doesn't close, right? No, okay. Well, it cannot fit this banana box, unfortunately. When you look at the back, you kind of get the impression that it's actually quite big. Yeah. So big and boxy, that's what we need, right? For a family car. We have a big trunk, and actually it can be reclined slightly. Let me see. That's the upright position, and then you can go lower. So we're gonna have both of them in the upright position. But in here, okay, we have light there, some net here and here. Well, this is not 12 outlet. This is some kind of hook. Yeah, okay, for holding cargo here and here. I don't know, shopping bags. But wait, huh? We have securing hook on those corners, but not in the. Oh no, it's here. It's here. Okay, behind the net. Okay, my bad. But here, under here, we have this. Actually, that's the 12. Or is it the 12 volt or is it a 16 volt battery? Oh, I wonder if this is a lithium battery, but it's in the back. Not sure why. But this cover can be removed. But you see, under here, we also have some kind of foam, but it's a bit stuck here, so I'll just keep it on then. Yeah, you have to unscrew some stuff there to free up the space. And then here, okay, wait. Not sure if this is easy. Oh, I'm just kidding. It's just low voltage anyway. It seems like it can be removed. Okay, there. You can actually remove this cover. I'm not sure if it helps. Oh, that's a subwoofer. And that's the low voltage battery. Not sure what this is. But the electronics is kind of exposed, so I think I'll just put back the cover because there's not that much space you can gain from this anyway. So just put it back in. There. Round one in the trunk. Most cars in this similar class, they can take 8 boxes, but this car can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Now let's fold the seat and try again. All right, as usual, we try to pack as many as possible in here. Oh, let's try to show you. It is so tightly packed, I can't even open the door properly. But 2 of the boxes, they're actually put in horizontally there. So the legroom here is amazing. Oh, super tight. I noticed it when I used the car as family shuttle, that it is quite okay, and this is barely legal, but it's still within the specification. But it's quite spacious in here. We utilize the space all the way to the glass roof also, and it's quite boxy, so we'll see. All right, let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28,
29, 30. This is truly amazing. This car is only 4.7 meters long. It's even shorter than Model Y, but they can take more boxes than Model Y, more boxes than the MGS6, even more than the smart #5. Wow, what the heck, man? Not that big car externally, but so much space. Maybe half box in the front even. So there you guys have it. If you want an affordable EV with massive space, then go get the MGS6. That's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.